Good morning. Good morning. What about others? What Rajesh?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Where is Sahadeva?
Sir, he is attending his brother's marriage.
Okay. When he'll come back?
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Ajay,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
Fine, sir.
Hmm.
Sorry, sir. Yesterday I couldn't pick up your call. I was little busy.
Hmm. No problem. Today you make it, huh? Events, all these things, finalize it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure.
Right. We'll start. Anyway, let them join other people. Huh? So last topic, UID. Information search. So this also, you people are doing information search. Where and all we are doing the information search. Can you tell? Gaurish?
Sir.
Gaurish,
Yes, sir.
what you are doing?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing, eh?
Simply sitting.
Happy fun.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me, what do you mean by the information search? So where and all you have done information searching? Huh? Gaurish, that's all. Afterwards, you will say, sir, mic problem, network issues. Huh? Varsha, Rajesh. Don't
Yes,
say
sir.
yes, yeah. Mic on and tell me where and all you have done information search.
From Google itself, sir.
Yeah, Google. So what and all you have searched? Maybe assignment,
Sir, he's
something.
requiring.
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. Any kind of document.
Any kinds of the documents. So, for example, if teachers give some assignment, what we'll do first now? We'll not open the textbook maximum nowadays. So when we were studying, we used to go to library or we used to take the textbook, we used to search it and we used to write the assignments. Nowadays, what we are doing? Directly search the Google and write the documentation. Correct, na? Then you will share to the other friends. So first one or two people will write it, then we'll share it. So that is one. And schools, if you take also, they will need some of the multiple multimedia documents or figures or diagrams. Sometimes they will ask. So in that case, also we'll search the Google, then we'll take the printouts. Sometimes January 26th or August 15th. Sometimes they will ask some of the people diagrams. So in that case, we'll search it and we'll take the photos and or sometimes text we want to search it. Suppose if you want to say something regarding the August 15 or 26. So in that case also sometimes we'll search it. So that is what the information search. So as not only here and online, especially you know that online search how we are doing. So if you want to mobile, if you want to buy mobile, what you will be doing? Search only. So sometimes we'll go for Google and we'll find out the cost of that one. Otherwise, we'll go for Amazon or Flipkart or any online. That is what the information search. So we have the three topics in this: searching in textual documents and database queuing, multimedia document searches, advanced filtering, and search interfaces. So this is what the information search. We have to see one by one how it will be working. Let us see first one, searching in textual documents and database queuing. Second one is called the multimedia document searches, advanced filters also. So sometimes we'll make the advanced filters. Advanced filters sometimes you'll be seeing here, Flipkart, Google, or OLX. So I want to filter. So I want, suppose if you want to buy second-hand car, something like that. So you can put it your requirements. So I want so and so company. I want so and so year. I want this much rate. So this is my budget. So you can enter. That is what the advanced filtering. And apart from that, you have studied the DBMS also. You have learned some of the queries and how to write it also. You know that. That is what the information search. So some of the introduction. So already you people have told. So we'll search the text, multimedia, and informations. So that one only this one. Information search should be a joyous experience, but it takes a skill such as with the robotic tools to perform an effective search. So some of the tools also are available. So using the tools also we can search it. So second one is called the information retrieval and database management have evolved into three categories. The first category is nothing but the information gathering, seeking the information, filtering, collaborative filtering, sense making, and visual analytics. This is what the information is. That's what nowadays we are talking about the big data, structures data, unstructured data, all these things. So informations we are getting the huge data. Now how you are making the structures and unstructures. So apart from that, nowadays we are seeing they're collecting the informations and they're coming to the conclusions. So for example, if you take interest areas where they are buying the items, all these things. So they're taking the collections, collecting the informations, then they're finding. So which items, which area they're interesting, all these things. So different ways. So election category different, purchasing different is different, and vehicles, all these things. So that is what the how they are collecting information is nothing but they have the different tools, collect the informations, then they'll come to the making into the structures way, then they'll be finding into the informations. So that is what the information search gathering all these things nowadays huge crucial role big data. So data analytics is nothing but this one only. So they're coming to the picture, coming to the analysis, so collecting the information, analyze that, they'll come to the conclusions, like either machine learning, artificial intelligence, or big data, all these things coming to the same stage. So second one is called the data mining from data warehouses and data marts. So data, that's what I told you, big data analytics. So major role nowadays. So collecting the information, either structures or unstructures, then they are filtering and they'll come to the conclusions. Knowledge networks are semantic webs. So this is what the three information retrieval database. So this is what the one is called the informations gathering, another with respect to the data mining, another one is called the knowledge networks or the semantic webs. So all of these complicated by a increasing volume of material search. So this is always complicated because huge data to where storing out when you are searching which informations to search is and get it. So matching one or two or more than one or filtering, advanced filtering, all these things they have to do it. That is, it's a big task for them. So now we are enjoying, but behind work, how much they have done, we have to think. How they have done interactions, where they have stored, which type of queries they are using. Just what we are doing, just we are typing some information. That's it. Suppose if I want to traveling salesman problem, I'll type it. So different traveling salesman problems you will be getting. So one is called the operational research way of solving. One is called the through programming. Yesterday, I have told for the juniors. So like this, you will be searching for us easy. So that one backside work, how they have written the queries, how they will searching, how they are getting the information, how they are putting in front of us. That is what the great job they are doing. So next is the searching the terminologies. These also we need to discuss. Task objects are stored in a structured relational databases. That is called the textual documents libraries or multimedia documents libraries. So these are this point already we have discussed. The document is nothing but the textual documents or library documents, whatever we want. Next is called the a structured relational database consist of the relations and schemas to describe the relations. So we have studied already the database. So in this we have the schemas, relationships you have studied. All these things can be done for the searching technologies. So relational, less than, greater than, so equal, all these things, conditions, all these things, schemas you have done it, you know how to write it, and this also should support here. Relations have items usually called the tuples or the records, and each item have the multiple attributes that is called the fields, which each have the attribute values. So you know the attributes values, tuples, all these things in the database. That is also supporting for the information technologies in such terminologies. A textual documents libraries consists of the set of the collections that is called the typically up to the few hundreds collections per library plus some of the descriptive attributes or metadata about the libraries, for example, name, location, owner, all these things. So library search also. So in our library also searching it is available nowadays. So previously we used to go there and we used to find out the textbooks department wise or author. Then we'll go find the authors or titles. So nowadays, what we can do? So we can search it in front of the library only, entrance only. They have kept some of the systems. Suppose if you say some of our name and author, they'll tell you which where it is located. Otherwise, they will only go and get it particular book. That is where there also searching information is available. So many places are there searchings. So nowadays we are seeing one application is nothing but library also. So we have the task actions decomposed into the browsing or searching here are the some of the examples or task the collections. So you need some of the examples in this case. Four examples are there. First one is called the specific fact finding. Fact finding that is called the known item search. So find the email address of the president of the United States. So that is what the United States particular email address fact finding that is what the known as the item search. So that is also they can search it for the email address. Next one is called the extended fact finding. So extended fact finding is nothing but what other books are by the author of particular name. That is what the park we have taken, Jurassic Park. Uh, The third one is called the exploration of the availabilities. That is called the is there new work on voice recognition in the ACM digital library? And the last example is called the open-ended browsing and problem analysis. Open-ended browsing also is available. Is there promising new searches of fibromyalgia that might help my patients? So that is they're using in the hospitals might be help in the searching for the browsing problem analysis. So searching terminologies, another point is nothing but once the users have clarified their information needs, the first step towards satisfying those needs deciding where to search. So that means what? We'll be searching and once we satisfy that, we'll move to that one and we'll search in that what informations we need for that. Second one is called the supplemental finding aids can search, helps the users clarity and pursue their information needs, examples, tables of the contents, indexes, all these things. So second one is nothing but the supplementaries is nothing but we need the diagrams, clarities, tables, figures, all these things we should have the clear pictures. That one will be taken. The last one is called the additional preview and overview surrogates for the items and collections can be created to facilitate the browsing. So additionals also overviews, previews, all these things we can see it. Then we can go for the information searching. The first one is called the searching in textual documents and database query. So this is what we had discussed, how to write the schemas, queries in database also. So some of the examples they have given it, you see here. So already have studied the database DBMS. So I hope you know how to write queries for the schemas, relational operators also. So experts, the users can use the SQL commands, select the documents, select the document from journal DB. This is called the name. Journal DB is nothing but the name. Where date is greater than 2004 and date is less than 2008. So that means what? In between 2004 and 2008, we need to find out. And another search is nothing but the publisher is equal to you have given the name three names either ASIST or HFES or ACM. So that is what the some of the English French journals also is available ACMs. So these are all the names. Wherever it is getting, we want to display the in the browsers or in editors, whatever maybe. So that is what the one SQL commands examples. You know that already select star from which table. So sometimes in the tables I want to display who are all getting more than 90% marks, or I want to display 60 to 80% marks. So all select commands you have learned it in DBMS. Here also same thing. Some of the examples you can write it that one. And other one is called the SQL has the powerful features, but it requires the training. So that is also true. So some of the select powerful select commands are available, but we need the practices. So otherwise, what will happen? It will show the errors. So searching when we are doing the SQL search, all these things, we should remember the syntaxes. Otherwise, what will happen? It will show the errors. So familiarities is required. So Google, what we are doing, just we are typing the informations background. So they're writing the queries for that. Then we are getting the information. You see how they have done the interfaces one to one, all those things. So here is we are not remembering any SQL commands. We are not writing any SQL commands. Just will type it particular name. So IoT projects, simple projects. If you type it, you'll be getting some of the names. Then you'll be seeing what's happening, what is happening surrounding, what projects we can do it. That's what you might have done it. So we have to do the survey first when we want to select the projects. Similarly, here also information search, all these things, SQL is the powerful, but it requires the training. So training or practices it is required. Otherwise, what will happen? Normally, we'll forget the some of the syntaxes. So while SQL is a standard form fill in queries have simplified queries formulations. Next is the searching in textual documents and database querying. Other methods includes natural languages queries, form fill-in, queries by examples, evidence shows that users perform a better and have higher satisfaction when they can view and control to search. So these were the searching in textual documents and database querying. So searching the information, some of the examples, search bill text for the 11th Congress information. So some of the information, see years, they were displaying year wise, select Congress, some of the informations. So you can click it. So this is nothing but not our, this one. So outside the nation Congress, informations they were given it, that one you can search it, that one, you can get it. That is what the one example. And five face framework to clarify user interfaces for the textual search. So this one we'll see. These were the examples for the searching the documents. What we want to search it. So some of the informations also is available. So you might have crossed the many examples you have seen it. So when you are searching informations, you'll be getting this one, and right hand side you'll be getting. So some of the C programming examples, if you see it in Google, so left hand side you will be getting some of the informations. Go to statement, if else, nested if else statement, for or looping statements or arrays, two-dimensional arrays, all these things. So you can click it one by one, and example programs you can see the right hand side. So the similar way here also text searching. So searching in textual documents and database queries. So this is what the first one, searching in the textual documents and databases, searching the terminologies. So what are all the terminologies we have used? So what are the examples, such terminology what you have used? And information search. So this is what the information search. And the next one is called the five-phase framework to clarify user interfaces for the textual search. So you have the 5 points. One is called the formulation, another one is called the initiation of the access, third one is called the review of the results, and fourth one is the refinement, and fifth one is how to use. So these are all the five framework for the searching the techniques. Textual search is nothing but this is the five most important interfaces, five phase framework to clarify the user interfaces for the textual search. So what is the formulation is nothing but expressing the search. So expressing the search it will be doing for the formulation. Next is initiation will be taken. So launching the search. Initialization is nothing but the to launch the particular search. Next is reviews of the results is nothing but reading the messages and outcomes. So what will happen? We need to make the formulation first. So what we want to search, we should have some idea. Next is initiation will be taken. So just if you take Google or online purchasing, just will type it. Suppose if your mobile is got some problem, if it is not working nowadays, without mobile you cannot attend the classes. So what we'll be doing, either we'll go to shop, we'll find out which one we want to take it, otherwise we'll go for online purchasing also. There also we'll type it. So our budget, which company we want, all these things we'll be doing. So that is what the formulation first. Next is the initiations of the actions. Next review of the results. So reading messages and outcomes. That means what? Once you decide which company you want, either Samsung or Nokia or whatever it will, Moto, whatever it will. So then we'll be see that messages. What is the important in that, whether we can be able to take it or not. Next, refinement. So finally formulating the next step. So formulating the next step is nothing but you will decide which one you want to take it. That is what the refinement of this one. Next is called the use is nothing but the compiling or disseminating insight. So this is what the five key roles when you are doing the interfaces for the textual search. So interfaces, what are the interfaces is required for the textual search is nothing but so five-phase framework to clarify the user interfaces for the textual search. This is what the formulation, initiation, review of the results, outcomes, refinement, use. So this is what the five key roles in text search. So here you have the five-phase framework to clarify the user interfaces, and this one. So this one will see it in the next class, no problem. I'll type it one question. You type it, based on that I'll be giving the examples. So now probably we have the uh, another two topics is left out. One is called the multimedia and another one is called the what we have to see in multimedia advanced filtering. So another two topics are left out. This one, still time is there. We'll see it. I'll type it one question. So information search examples. You type it and send it to me. So I'll add one question. Yes, have sent it some of the right. So have sent it one Google form. I asked you to list out some of the examples in information search. So what are the examples you can give it? List out. Based on that, I will give the attendance. Okay. So still we have one more month. So we have to do some of the activities. So once we complete the syllabus, so maybe another two topics, probably it will take for me 1 hour to complete it. So we'll see what all the activities can be done. We'll plan from next class onwards. So send it that Ajay.
Yes, sir.
So send it, list out some of the examples, whatever examples you want, you can write it, no problem. Whatever we have discussed doesn't mean that we have to write only that. So information search examples, wherever you have across, you can write it, some of the list of the examples. Not only Ajay, other people's also. Got it? Mail, Google form, all of you got it? Do you got it, Google form? Ajay, got it, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can do it that. Answer your attendance 1, 2, Aditya, 3,
Yes, sir.
4,
Yes, sir.
5, Antima, 6,
Present, sir.
7, 8,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9, 10, 11,
Yes, sir.
Present, sir.
12,
Present,
13,
sir.
Present, sir.
14, 15, Surya Prakash, 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Present, sir.
Pradeep absent, huh? 20, 21,
Present, sir.
22, Rajesh,
Present, sir.
24, 25,
Present, sir.
26. Santosh.
Sir, 19, sir.
Huh?
19.
19. You tell tomorrow. Pradeep. Still you are sleeping, eh? 26. Santosh. 27.
Yes, sir.
28. 29.
Present, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
31. 33.
Sir, present, sir. 31 present.
Okay.
Sir, 33 present.
Okay. 34.
Present, sir.
50.
Present, sir.
51.
Present, sir.
52.
Present, sir.
53.
Yes, sir.
54. Chetana. 55. Kavya. 56. Madhushree.
Present, sir.
57. Mani.
Present, sir.
58.
Present, sir.
59.
Present, sir.
60.
Present, sir.
61.
Present, sir.
61. 62.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
63.
Present, sir.
64.
Present, sir.
65. Pratik. 66. Sadhana. 68. Shashank. 69.
Present, sir.
70.
Present, sir.
71.
Present, sir.
72.
Present, sir.
73.
Present, sir.
74. 75. 76. Vidyarani. 77.
Present, sir.
Sir, 31 present, sir.
Huh?
31.
31. Na? Tell tomorrow, no?
Sir.
Sir, 55 present, sir.
While taking what you people were doing,
Sir,
tell.
rejoin as I.
Sure, given. 31 given here. Next.
55, sir.
55. ಆಯ್ತು.
Sir, 66.
Okay. Connect ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು again you went for tiffin, huh? So you thought sir will be taking 9:20. That's why now you are coming. Okay. So have you done it that Google Sheet? Google Form? All of you do it first that I got only responses 3 only. Only for them only I'll give the attendance. Now one more. Whatever I've sent the Google form, please fill it and send it back. Now only. You have time. See that 5 marks based on quizzes, this one only. So when whatever I have sent it, you have to send it the same day only. Send it. I got only 6. Just 2 3 minutes. Today's class, whatever we had discussed, that one only. All of you fill it, Google Sheet.